Before we jump into the demos for this module, I want to touch quickly on the concept of async. More and more client applications need to deal with async and parallelism to provide a good user experience. No longer is it acceptable to just put a spinning cursor in the user's face and make it stop responding to input every time the app goes and does some fairly long-lasting thing, like a service call, computation, or query. In .NET, we now have task-based async as a pattern for how to deal with these things. For MVVM, this means that the view model is often the initiator of calls that can take a long time in the big scheme of computation. Those calls should be made async to keep the UI responsive. As a result, often the methods you expose on the client services layer should be async themselves, because they will be calling async methods to get the real work done. So you will see in all my demos that the client services expose async methods based on tasks for doing the data access for the demo. This is done so that the same repository interface exposed to the view model could also be used even if the data access was done via service call. All the nuances of how async works, why you use it, and how you use it go way beyond what I have time to cover in this course. For more detail on async in .NET, I recommend you check out the course Getting Started with Asynchronous Programming in .NET by Philip Ekberg.